An epic crane shot reveals a modern factory nestled in a lush, tropical landscape at sunrise.
A slow push-in reveals the factory's sleek main entrance and subtly illuminated company logo.
An extreme close-up reveals the meticulously embossed factory nameplate, highlighting its exquisite detail.
A vast, climate-controlled room holds rows of raw python skins, showcasing immense scale.
Quality begins with the perfect skin.
An extreme close-up reveals the intricate patterns and textures of raw python skin scales.
The washing machine door closes with an airtight seal, reflecting industrial lights and advanced tech. Optimal conditions achieved. Massive rotating tanning drums dominate a hall, signifying the start of skin transformation.
A worker carefully feeds pre-treated python skins into a tanning drum, beginning their transformation. Inside a rotating tanning drum, skins tumble gently with solution, a mesmerizing ballet.
A time-lapse captures skins drying on racks, subtly changing color and texture. Every detail matters for perfection.
An extreme close-up of dried, tanned python skin reveals distinct, supple, subtly gleaming scales.
Vibrant colored pigments in glass bottles showcase the luxurious palette for skins.
Vibrant dye solution pours into a shallow vat, anticipating skin immersion.
Workers carefully immerse tanned skins into dye vats, ensuring even color absorption.
A worker gently agitates skins in slow motion within a dye vat, ensuring even penetration.
A worker carefully removes a freshly dyed skin from the vat, revealing its vibrant color. A post-dyeing drying room bursts with vibrantly colored skins on racks, a kaleidoscope of luxury hues. Workers' hands expertly press and shape the leather, revealing its supple, high-quality texture.
The texture on this sample aligns perfectly with the aesthetic we discussed.
Have you considered the dark green for the trim instead? It's on the mood board.
Oh, that's a much richer contrast.
Precision is key to luxury.
A laser cutting machine's precise beam slices through dyed python leather, creating sharp edges.
A worker carefully arranges freshly cut leather pieces onto a tray, perfectly shaped for assembly.
Shelves neatly stacked with pre-cut leather, lining, and hardware, all labeled for assembly.
Luxury hardware gleams under focused light,
its intricate details speaking to premium quality.
The perfect edge defines true luxury.
An artisan perfectly aligns two leather components, preparing them for joining with steady hands. Two leather pieces are pressed together after adhesive, forming a seamless, unified surface. An artisan uses a specialized press to quickly and decisively attach a metal clasp to a leather flap.
Artisans meticulously build luxury bag frameworks using jigs and forms in the structural assembly area.
An artisan molds a leather panel over a wooden form, showcasing skill and pliability.
Leather adheres perfectly to a wooden form, accentuating precise curves and natural grain.
Every stitch is a promise of quality.
An artisan applies a protective sealant to a luxury bag, making the leather gleam, enhancing its appeal.
Protective sealant absorbs into python leather, creating a luxurious sheen, scales reflecting light.
No flaw escapes our eye.
Through a magnifying glass, perfectly uniform stitches are revealed, a testament to flawless craftsmanship.
An extreme close-up reveals the clasp mechanism engaging with a satisfying, precise click.
Artisans use fine tools for touch-ups in a detail refinement area, perfecting every curve.
An artisan uses a tine brush to touch up a minuscule blemish, demonstrating extreme care. A blemish disappears under an artisan's brush, creating a seamless, indistinguishable surface.
Artisans add interior linings and structural elements in the final assembly area.
An extreme close-up of a debossed brand logo on a leather patch, perfectly impressed, authentic luxury.
Only perfection earns our seal.
A senior inspector's gloved hand gently turns the bag, eyes scanning for any overlooked flaw. A senior inspector places an elegant, approved seal onto the bag's interior tag, marking quality. A luxurious python leather bag rotates on a minimalist pedestal, showcasing exquisite craftsmanship.
An extreme close-up of the bag's polished hardware gleams, emphasizing premium quality.
The bag's interior reveals luxurious silk lining and organized compartments, highlighting hidden details.
An elegant packaging station prepares luxury boxes and branded dust bags for the final product.
A worker carefully places a luxury bag into a soft, branded dust bag, protecting the item. An extreme close-up of the brand logo on the dust bag signifies authenticity and luxury.
A dust-bagged luxury item is placed inside a custom-designed presentation box, perfectly fitting.
Capturing its true essence.
An extreme close-up of a camera screen displays a stunning, high-resolution luxury bag image. Stacks of branded luxury boxes fill a clean warehouse, ready for global distribution.
A timeless piece, crafted for you.
A customer leaves the boutique with their new luxury bag, entering a vibrant city street. The customer walks away, their luxury bag swinging gently, a confident statement piece.
An extreme close-up montage highlights unique scale patterns and finishes of different python leathers.
A single, perfectly crafted luxury python bag rests on velvet, the epitome of the journey.
A framed ethical practices certificate hangs on a wall, reinforcing the brand's commitment.
Slow push-in on the company's mission statement, emphasizing craftsmanship, sustainability, and luxury. A final epic crane shot reveals the factory at sunset, symbolizing a successful, ethical operation.